My name is Alina Herman, and today we're going to be talking about lease to sell. Before I begin, please take a look at two links below. One of them is free property valuation, and the other one is property search. So what is lease to sell? Lease to sell is a fantastic program for the sellers that are either underwater, meaning they own more than their mortgage than the home is worth at the time, or they just want to make extra money. They're either out-of-towners or they perhaps want to start leasing their home to some responsible tenant that will be taking care of a home and actually paying for minor repairs. Some of the options are to sign a 4 to 5 year lease contract in where the tenant buyer will be bringing you money as a consideration money to purchase the property and will be maintaining a home while making payments covering your mortgage, or if you do not have a mortgage or very low mortgage, actually sending you a check for your monthly cash flow. Some of the benefits for tenant buyer include building their credit. So there's typically very good people that want to move in, they want to be owners. We want to make sure that you are able to sell your home to somebody that is very responsible, and that is exactly the lease to sell program. So how do you market your home? We typically recommend marketing your home through the rental portals. Most of the people that are renting out, they are not aware that they can actually rent to own. And therefore, you would have to get a little more creative. We specialize on the buyers like this, and therefore we have a special marketing program at Property Up. However, if you in your area do not have this program, please contact your local agent and tell them that you want to lease their home and have a lease to sell contract put in place. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please call us 847-847-4711.